Hey there, let's dive into some mind-blowing facts you probably didn't know. Did you know your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days to stop it from digesting itself? Crazy, right? Here's one for animal lovers. Octopuses have 3 hearts and 2 stop beating when they swim. Nature is incredible. Speaking of incredible, a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Imagine celebrating your birthday on Venus. Every day would feel like forever. And for tech enthusiasts, the first computer virus was called Creeper back in 1971. It wasn't harmful, just curious, just like us. Now here's some history. The Eiffel Tower grows up to 6 inches taller in summer because metal expands in heat. Science is amazing. Speaking of tricky things, the English word set has over 400 definitions, making it the most versatile word in the language. Nature's full of surprises too. Did you know bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't? Yep, mind officially blown. Here's a sweet fact, literally. Honey is the only food that never spoils. Archaeologists found edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs. And the longest hiccuping spree lasted 68 years. Imagine that, hiccuping for nearly a lifetime. Finally, did you know water can boil and freeze at the same time under the right pressure? It's called the triple point. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Which fact amazed you the most? Drop a comment and don't forget to like, share and follow for more awesome content. See you next time.